Good day, oh, my fellow people. Episode 1, package Ewa Agoyin with us. As we dey yarn you the tori, no forget to subscribe. Now, see as we dey mesh the Ewa Agoyin. As we dey package am, put for plate, make you see. As me and you go follow chop am. Also, see as we dey add the ata. That ata, ó ti dúdú gan. See as we dey add am. So, we wan also add plantain. As you see the plantain wey we dey add, e no fresh. See as we dey add the plantain. We also wan add the jakika. We also wan add the pomo. Come see the bread wey hot, gbona feli. See am now. Oya, slide into the next video. Make you see as we dey yarn you the tori for as we talk package Ewa Agoyin with us at Ewagoyin TiDe Restaurant. This is me, your boy, at Ewa Agoyin TiDe Restaurant. Now me be this. As you dey see me like this, I just say make I chow this morning. But I forget, say I need to record videos for my viewers who need to see this video. Now me be this, now me dey take order. Now as you dey see me now, I dey look at my customer with the WhatsApp. Those who don't place order, make I attend to am. E no dey easy, oh. Ewa Agoyin today, e no dey easy. It was never built on bed of roses. We get some challenges wey hit us for corner. We start this business July 2021. As you see me like this, I say make I chow my bread, oh. I start begin to dey chow am, dey look. As I dey look like this, I say make I tear am small, make I look at people wey dey pass as they dey look me, oh. They dey look me, but I no care. I say life continues. I must chop my Ewa in peace. As I dey chop am, oh, that's why I remember some stories wey come my brain as I start this business. The business start it was not built on easy platform. Oh. We join all social media platform, as you know, say to get followers on all these platforms no easy, especially customers wey dey the location where you want start your business in. Now my restaurant be this, so see me, I don't carry my phone again. Make I check who don't place order. I dey check. I dey wait for my order, make it come. But as we dey look like this, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe or join me as you eat Ewa. If you want, say in the comment section you want Ewa, make we send you. Okay, they look me as I dey chop. I dey chop my Ewa in peace. So as this small boy dey chop in Ewa, he say make it give you the story about how he start this business. I start this business with hawking business, so I start out with hawking business. I dey hawk crayfish for market. E no dey easy to hawk, but on God we stand. As you see me like this, I be graduate, but as you know, say graduate no pay for Nigeria. See me, I don't carry my phone again. They look for customer. I dey look for customer. E no dey easy to look for customer because especially you where your business dey online. You know these days, customers wey dey physical, you no fit wait for customers wey dey physical location because most times, if you wan collect shop wey dey some kind physical location where you know na busy area, you know the kind money wey you suppose pay. As you see me like this, I start on a small scale. And here we are, we still dey there, but we get vision. But our vision as e dey. Don't forget to watch the previous video where we post about package Ewa Agoyin with us. I go drop am for the link below this video, make you see am. You go see how we dey package our Ewa Agoyin. We package it like that for our customer. See me now, they chop. See, I don't almost finish the food sef. Come join me as I dey cut bread, or come join me as I dey chop. I said you should jollificate this early morning of the day. Customers come dey troop in, as I dey look for them. I wait, I no see them. But after a while, they start to dey troop in. Now so me, I dey think, say God, where you dey? Send in my customers. So you know, say to find customers during the day, e no dey easy. To chop Ewa Agoyin, hot one. Except the day dey rainy, where everywhere dey cold. Now then you go see customers say, oh, I need Ewa today. Now so you go see them, they buzz your phone. But see me now, just they stare, they look, and they enjoy this nice Ewa we are prepare. Where Ewa Agoyin today prepare. As them prepare am, e dey enter my head. I dey enjoy this Ewa. See, I don't show you plate. You don't see I don't finish so saute. You don't see how the thing there, I don't chop and finish. See, I don't chop the bread finish. So, but as we dey talk, say make we dey go. Business was never an easy journey. It took me on a rough ground whereby I had to do some hard jobs to make a living. I came out from a family of 5. I'm the firstborn. But man needs to hustle. Man needs to hustle. Hustle is not a journey for a lazy person. No. I had to pick pen, dey write my vision down. Say in how many years, in how many days, in how many weeks I go suppose get there. Say I don't finish my Ewa. But as life goes on, man need to plan and think. Okay, I decided to think for myself. Okay, as Ewa going the good now, how man suppose grow? Now so I also open this channel make you people now join me, they follow me. Follow me and like my post. Don't forget to introduce 1 or 2 persons to Ewagoyin TiDe Restaurant. Because with you, we dey grow. We dey grow this business with you. Now, there's one story where they disturb me, of which in my next video you go hear am. That story be say that about this country when it comes to the business of food. How we see am. Food business to do in this country no easy. But is a business of a mind that is dedicated to progress. Because now only person we want progress go consider the basic needs of human. There are basic needs where human need. And those basic needs are important to our growth. Oh yeah, as you see me like this, I dey chill, dey watch you now. Subscribe, like, follow. Tell your friend. See me, I don't pick my phone, they look for order. I dey look for customer this morning. Don't forget subscribe because our next video, you go see, we go give you gist where you suppose hear, where you suppose learn from. Because in every bit of our talk, there are things where you suppose learn. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.